about to leave for 2024. We're going on a trip. Si Daddy, si Viv. Hi, nak. Okay. Oh, look. What? So, nandito na kami. Maaga kami dumating. Dumating kami ng 6:55. Andito kami. So, early namin. Ang flight namin is 10 AM. Papuntang Taipei. Nak! So, nandito na kami sa loob. Ayan, si Daddy. Punta lang kami dun sa aming, boarding. Mag-check-in muna kami. So, ayan. I think, ito na yun. Starlux Airline tayo. Papuntang Taipei, Taiwan. This is the hand carry. Ayan yung Snoopy. Ayun pa yung isa. Snoopy din. Snoopy. And that's Daddy and Bebe. Nasaan na yung pipicturean ko? Ang ganda ng kanilang Christmas tree. Ikot tayo. Nice naman. So, for now, tapos na kami sa immigration. Nandito na kami sa loob ng, lagpas na kami, wala namang tinanong. Bait ni Sir, shout out sa iyo, and Merry Christmas. Okay. Finally, wala man lang tinanong, di ba? Diretso lang wala na eh. Very smooth eh, kaya gusto ko dito sa Clark. Fill up na kami ng e-travel. As in, walang tinanong kahit isa. Dito, meron dito pwedeng kumain. So, ayan, kung hahanapin nyo yung flight nyo, ito naman agad. So, let's go. Explore muna tayo kasi maaga pa. Ang aming boarding is 10. Okay, we have enough time. It's already 8 AM pa lang. So, let's go. Ayan, nagtitingin. So, galing kami doon. Ayan, ito yung pinaka-airport ng international. First time kami nag-international dito sa May Clark. Usually, lang kami domestic. So, ayan, let's go na. Can you push? Maganda dito. Sobrang, lang, konti lang yung tao talaga. Unlike sa Manila, sobrang hirap. Ang haba ng pila. Immigration pa lang, ubos na yung oras mo. In 3 hours mo, ubos doon. Ayan, wala nang masyadong dumadaan. So, eto na, malapit na tayo. Doon tayo sa gate 16. Ayan na si Viv. First time yan mag-push ng maleta. Diyan tayo pupunta. This is our plane, guys. Inaayos na lang. Diyos ko naman. na. Palabas na kami. We're here at Taiwan. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're here. So, nandun sila sa ano. Ako na lang dito sa gilid. Ang temperature ngayon is 17 degree. O, diba? Sakto lang. Parang aircon lang yon. Manipis lang yung jacket mo. Ganyan lang siya. Ako nga, ganito lang. O, long sleeves. Tapos, and that's it. Pero pag labas mo, medyo malamig siya. Lalo na pag may hangin. Yun yung lamig niya. So, ayan. See you later. So, ayan na nga guys. Nakalabas na kami. Tapos, kinuha ko yun. Naglaro muna ako doon ng 3 times. Pero di ako nanalo. Tapos, doon sa may bandang dulo doon, andun yung kukuhanin nyo kung saan kayo nag-book ng prepaid SIM card or packet wifi. Doon kayo pupunta. And then, after nun, magpipresent lang kayo ng passport, tapos meron lang signature, and then fill up lang, and then that's it. Bibigay na sa'yo yung pinaka-SIM card mo. Nag-book ako ng SIM card ng 5 days unlimited. So, we're here na inaantay lang namin yung aming sasakyan na pipick up sa amin. Kami dyan. Nandito na kami sa labas, nag-aantay lang kami. Then, dalawa. Ay, yung dala namin, 2 hand carry, tapos 2 check-in bag. Yun lang. Tapos merong ano, ano yun? Ano yun nako? Ito na yung sundo namin, guys. So, ayan. Kinakabit lang yung mga, nilalagay ni mga maleta dun sa loob.
It's our first time to be here.
Oh, your first time?
Yes.
Welcome to Taiwan.
We pass by all stopovers going to Manila from the US.
Okay.
Or yeah. Usually just stopovers.
Yeah. So all of you is from Manila.
Actually, we're from a province in the Philippines, somewhere north
Okay.
of Manila.
Okay.
And that's why we took the flight from Clark
Yeah.
Air Base. Yeah. Clark Airport. Yeah.
And you take the Starlux, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
how's your experience? Is good?
Good.
It's very good, right?
Very nice landing.
Yeah, it's a new airline.
Yeah, it's a nice plane.
It's from Taiwan also.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think it's new.
It
It looks new.
They have fighting, so the boss kick out from Eva Air, and he created a new airline company.
Okay.
It's Starlux.
Let's start.
It's a nice plane.
We call TSMC.
Yeah.
TSMC.
And I told them we would like to go up the Taipei 101 Observatory,
Yeah, sure.
and we just give you the payment. Okay, I think it's 600.
Yeah, per person.
Yeah, per person. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when do you want to get it? On the day that we're going?
Maybe tomorrow. Because I need to make a reservation first.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
tomorrow.
you can give tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We need deposit 10,000 NTD for 5 nights. They have ginger house. This is the lobby of the hotel. This is the reception where you can check in. Standard check-in time is 3 p.m. It's Biv. So,
Siguro tea.
they suggest ito daw, try natin.
Mount Point Food TV.
Okay, sige, go.
Okay, let's try it.
Careful, mainit yan.
Oh, it's tea.
Oo.
I mean, like this.
Yeah, share tayo. Okay, tabi ka muna.
Third floor daw doon ang breakfast siguro.
Okay, let's go. Saan ang 1510? Our room number. 1510. Okay, dito tayo dadaan sa kabilang side. Ay, nahihirapan siya kasi carpeted. Pag carpeted, ayaw gumulong. Knock like this, ah. Mas madali. Ah. There. See? Mas madali. Easy, di ba? Ako, gaya-gaya na rin si Daddy. Mahirap siya kasi talaga itulak kapag carpeted. Corner, ibig sabihin maganda view. Okay, wait lang. Sa akin yung key card.
Corner tayo.
I know.
I got a good room. I hate ugly rooms. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, give it back. See?
Pasok!
Sponsored by a car electric fan. Kahit mainit, malamig pa rin binibigay. Kaya bilhin nyo na.
Mabigat. Narinig ko may sponsor ka na naman dyan. Jeez, ang hirap i-push pagka ano. Okay, that's it.
Good.
Nice.
Room tour.
So, ayan, fam. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa room. Itutour ko na kayo bago pa siya magulo. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito agad ang makikita mo. Meron dyan closet na pwede kang mag-hanger ng pinagsuotan mong jacket. Tapos, meron dito ang vault. Ayan, pwede ka magtago dyan ng pera, ng passport. Ayan. Tapos, lakad ka lang dito. On my left side, andito na yung pinaka bathroom. Wow! Left and right, meron siyang lavatory. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang bathtub. May sarili. Tapos, dito naman sa right end, meron din siya. So, para hindi kayo nagkakagulo kapag nagtutoothbrush. So, ito yung right side ko. Tapos, andito naman yung left side. So, dito yung girls kasi may mirror siya. Para pag nagme-makeup ka, mas nakikita. So, dito naman sa side na to, nandito yung pinaka-toilet. So, buksan natin. Ito yung pinaka-maganda dito sa lahat. So, ito yung toilet. Ayan, Japanese style din siya. Oh, what a view! Habang nagsa-CR ka, may view ka ng ganyan kaganda. O, diba? Hindi kaya ako masilipan dito habang ako ay gumagawa ng number 2. Diba? Ayan, welcome to Taiwan! Tayo? Okay. So, ayan. Paglabas mo, andito naman sa kanan yung shower room. Okay? There. So, ayan na yun. Pinaka-shower, tapos yung shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So, separate siya. Yun yung pinaka-gusto ko sa lahat. Magkaiba talaga. Tapos, andito yung bathtub. Pwede ka mag-bathtub dyan. So, doon na tayo sa bedroom. What? Nanganak ng Kinder Joy. Ang laki namang itlog niyan. Tara na sa room. Okay, dito na tayo sa bedroom. Pagpasok mo, nandito na agad yung bed. Dito sa kabila, sa kaliwa, meron ditong mga coffee na complimentary. Ayan, tea, tapos water. Tapos ito yung coffee maker. Sa taas, ganyan. Tapos, mayroon ditong mini ref. There, tingnan natin kung anong laman ng mini ref niya. Oh, there. Siyempre may bayad yan. Mini bar yan eh. Okay, dito naman, ikutin natin. Ito yung pinaka-bed niya. Ayan. This is the bed. There. That's the bed. Sige, kumain ka na, nako. And daddy, tapos may TV dyan. So, ayan yung pinaka-TV mo. Tapos, may lagayan ka dun ng malita. So, ayan yung dala lang namin. Okay. Dito tayo. Meron ka ditong mini table na pwede kang mag-edit dyan ng content. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman, na sofa. Tapos, habang nakaupo ka dyan, titingnan mo ang view ng kapitbahay mo. Wow! What a view! Yan ang view. Panalo na. May nanalo na. Yan, may nagugutom na. Okay, let's go. Tapusin lang siya, tapos bababa, kakain muna kami kasi hindi pa yan nagla-lunch. 3 p.m. na. Sabi ko sa inyo, gulo-gulo na siya yun. Okay, we're gonna walk and find restaurant. Tapos kakain tayo habang maliwanag pa. Okay. Ayan na, start na ng aming ngayon, adventure. Dito. O, diba? Dito yung hotel namin, tapos lalakad lang kami. And then, andito na kayo sa pagkat. Malapit daw to sa lahat, sabi ni Jackie, yung aming tour guide. Tour guide namin siya ng 5 days. O, diba? Kumuha kami ng sariling namin, service. Nasa package na siya. So, paglabas mo, eto na yon. Maglalakad lang kami dito. Ayan. Tapos, eto yung kalsada, doon sa kabilang side. Tapos, meron din pala ditong Caesar Park. Ayan. Hotel din yan. Oh, it's drizzling, ha? Drizzling, guys. Malamig yung weather. Ang temperature niya ngayon is 17. Wow, malamig. Pero, nakadoble naman na ako. So, buti na lang may dala din akong cup kasi nga umaambon. Free day kasi namin ngayon. So, ito na yung chance namin na i-explore yung malapit dito sa hotel namin. So, ayan. Actually guys, first time namin dito sa Taiwan. Ang first impression ko sa kanya is parang siyang Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong style din siya. At ay bago, lahat ay nangangapa. 3 kami nangangapa. Pero, it's okay. Bumukas na yung Christmas light. Puro niya. Okay, go. Ang cute, oh, fam. Ang cute ng mga tinda nila, oh. Oh, ang cute. So, pasok tayo dito. Ayan. We're going up. Jacket. So, habang naghahanap kami ng restaurant, nandito na kami sa 11th floor. Ayan. Meron na isa ditong maglalaro. Ayan, naghahanap na siya, oh. Hindi na niya alam kung ano ngayon unahin niya, oh. Na kay daddy. Restaurants pa ditong iba. Yung mga shabu-shabu yan. Pero check muna ni daddy sa 12th floor kung ano pa yung merong restaurants doon. Going up sa 12th floor. Hindi kami pareho ng sa mga pagkain. So, parang ito yung pinaka food court nila. O, di ba sa dulo meron pang McDonald's. O, tapos ito yung iba, o. Meron sila dyan. Although di ko naintindihan, bahala na kayong umintindi. Tapos na kaming kumain, tapos nakabili pa siya ng maraming Pokemon. Ayan, traffic din pala dito. Ayan o.
Rainbow Dash.
Yeah. Ito na naman, nadaan na naman kami dito sa mga cute na to. Christmas! Tatawid tayo. Ayun, yung sinasabi niya. Yeah. Ganda, no? Oo. Diba? Dito sa kanan, ito naman, makikita mo. Dito sa kaliwa, ayan. Oh, anong mas maganda? Ah, ganda. Maglakad ka mag-isa dyan, kukuha na kita. Oo, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Ano? Oo, sa Streamending.
Kahit subway.
Rush hour na. Dami ng sasakyan. Okay, dito kami galing kanina. Tumawid lang kami ngayon. Pero doon kami dumaan kanina. Kasi ayun yung Christmas tree. Tapos andun yung hotel sa dulo. So, ito na. Malapit na tayo sa hotel. O, di ba kanina maliwanag pa. Ngayon, madilim na. So, medyo nakaharang kami. Ang cute! Nakaharang kami sa daan.
Hindi pa natin nakikita si Taipei 101. Ay, parang hindi mag-reflect.
It's day 2. Good morning. Grabe, tulog pa si Viv. So, good morning. Day 2. So, day 2 tayo, fam. Outfit check. Ayan. Kain muna kami ng breakfast. So, day 2. Nilagay ko na dyan. Hinangar ko na yung mga gamit namin. So, inayos ko na yung bed. Oh, nawala yung dalawa. Okay. Our room number. Ayun na. Sinban. Dito sa New Taipei City. What Hilton. So, let's go. Bye.
Probably this one.
So, we're going to eat breakfast first.
Number 2. All the way up to rooftop. Or
Chick. Okay. Breakfast. Morning. So, dyan tayo. Okay. Kuha lang kami ng food. Tayo sa ating egg section. So, they have, what's this? Tinapa. What section? We have soup also. Dim sum. They only have here chow fan. So I got a yogurt and I have my coffee. I got the orange juice and look at my breakfast. Nag-start pa lang ako sa egg and sardines. And I got the bread And this is Bebe's food. Ayan. That's Bebe's food. Nandito ko sa gilid. So, coffee. Good morning. Okay, start na tayo. Mag-tour na. First day ng tour. 9:30. Actually, 9:31 na. Okay. So, ayan. May dala akong backpack, pero nasa loob lang siya ng van. Kasi nandiyan yung mga ibang things na kailangan meron kami mga extra dadala. So, ayan. Naka-skirt yung aking bib. Tapos, naka-boots. Siyempre, malamig. Yan ang kanyang outfit for today. Huwag daw maingay. Nasaan na siya?
On this open road, our hearts will find a journey of love with no end in sight. As we chase the horizon to the night, road trip to forever, you and me. Underneath the endless sky, we'll be free. With every mile, our love will grow. On this road trip to forever, we'll go. Windows down,
Just near Ximending.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
Ximending?
Almost
Near.
near, just near, yeah.
Almost near.
Yeah, this
Ximending.
area is very, very old area.
Okay.
So you can see the building.
Look
very
at,
old.
it's
Yeah.
old. Looks old. Literal.
But this area is very expensive. If you
Really?
want to buy the apartment like this one, 20 million NTD. So it's mean 40 million peso.
Jeez.
a journey of love with no end in sight. As we chase the horizon to the night, road trip to forever, you and me. Underneath the endless sky, we'll be free. With every mile,
All year round.
Yeah, yeah.
on this
During the February and May is cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom?
Yeah, cherry blossom.
February and Kaohsiung?
No, Kaohsiung is a bit Taichung City or Hualien City. Hualien City, you can see the nature view. It's very beautiful. And some of the south of Taiwan, you can see like different Aboriginal culture, and you can try the different food. It's very different compared with Taipei City.
What's the name of the city?
Like Hualien City.
Huadi.
Hualien is east of Taiwan.
East of Taiwan. East of Taipei?
Yeah.
Okay. But there's no airport directly.
No airport.
So
yeah.
we still have to land in Taipei.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Better because if you take by train, probably 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
trip to
No, it isn't.
Tayo. May kapatulog ka na lang. So alam mo na kung saan tayo. Probably it's because of the weather. Galing yan.
Yan na yun.
Okay, here is the entrance and
So, nandito na ngayon tayo sa Liu-J Park. Okay. Hi, Maning! So, I think, eto na yun. This is it. Ayan na sila. Daming guys dumarating. What? Ayan, that's Jackie. Start the tour. Sheshe. Hi na.
Jackie said long time ago this thing is underwater.
Oh, really?
Because of the earthquake,
Uh-huh.
the land went up
Okay.
and you see many rocks.
Oh, now I know. So many years ago, ito daw dinadaanan natin na to is ano yan, lubog yan sa tubig. Pero nung nagkaroon ng earthquake, ayan, umangat yung lupa, tsaka lumabas ito. Worth it, right? Although, pag ngayon kasi guys, is winter. December 25, 2024 ngayon, winter dito, malamig. So, it's better, pag nagpunta kayo dito, magsuot kayo ng medyo makapal na suot kasi malamig siya. Lalo na kapag humahangin. So, magsuot din kayo ng comfy shoes kasi mahaba-haba siyang lakaran kasi up and down yung lakaran mo niya. Tapos, it's a long walk talaga. And dito, sa nilalakaran namin, left and right, marami siyang puno. So, ayan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, yung pinaka-view mo dun. There. So, kasama ko si Viv. Oh my God, hinihingal na ako. Nandito pa lang kami. We're going to walk all the way there. Makikita mo na ngayon yung mga rock formation na iba't ibang ano siya. Cute! Ang cute, mapaliwala. Ito na yung nakikita ko sa vlog, guys. Ito na yun. This is it. So, ngayon, nandito na ako. Masasabi ko na nandito na ako sa Taiwan. O, diba? Kasi nandito na tayo ngayon sa Liu-J Park. So, ito na yung nakikita nyo sa vlog. So, i-vlog ko to ng mas mahaba para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung view. And of course, ayan, yung hangin dito sa face ko, pati yung ambon-ambon. Yeah. Okay. So, you better may suot kayong cap or umbrella or raincoat. Kung ayaw nyo nang may hawak na umbrella, mag-raincoat kayo. Pero, it's drizzling lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun mababasa ka. So, it's nag-cup na lang kami. Para wala kaming hawak. See? Puro ulo ni Daddy nakikita ko. That's Jackie and Daddy. Oh, there! Oh, see?
Try walking there.
I don't think there's any queen heads.
Ang ganda! See, walang tao dito kasi nandito ako sa gilid. Ayan, makikita mo.
I just realized this is the North Sea. That's why it's so...
We can go there, sabi niya.
Yeah, look at that, oh. Look at that. Meron siyang papasok doon. Doon. Wow!
Ano ka ba?
I think that's the one. Ito, okay guys. Basahin natin to. The Queen's Notes, capturing the Yilyu Cuesta. Okay, so hindi ko siya maintindihan kasi ito pa lang. Ito na. All the way there. Basahin niyo na lang guys. So, I'm not gonna cut. Gusto kong makita niyo kung gaano siya kaganda. Ayan. Where is the Queen? It's muddy. Dyan kami galing, dun yung entrance. Tapos dito kami nag-walk papunta dito. Okay. Ayan.
Cross this line.
Ulo. Ayan yung pinagpipicture nila. Kami doon sa kabilang side. Look at that guys. Akala nyo putik siya. Hindi siya mud. So let's go the other side. Oh, this is the other side. Galing kami dun sa kabilang side. So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo dun sa kabilang side. So we're going down here. Dito hindi masyadong crowded, nagkaroon na ng hati-hati yung mga tao. So ayan, may kanya-kanya silang place kung saan sila pwedeng mag-picture. So nandito na tayo sa kabilang side. Kanina dun tayo sa left side, ngayon naman nandito na tayo sa my right side. So it's ay. Okay, so ayan. Diyan kami galing. Galing ako dun sa may hagdan na yun. Tapos naglakad ako papunta dito, there, and then nandito na ako ngayon. So tapos galing kami doon, naglakad kami hanggang doon. Tapos galing kami doon sa kabilang side. So, eto na kami ngayon. So galing kami doon sa kabilang side doon. Diba? So nandito naman kami sa right side. So magpa-picture daw kami.
Probably seasonal.
We're done. Pabalik na kami ngayon. Lipat naman tayo ng ibang destination. Kasi malalayo yung mga yung pagitan ng pagpupuntahan namin. Okay, dyan daw kami kakain.
Later?
Okay, dito kami nag-lunch. Malapit lang dito sa Yilyu Park. Pero hindi kami nagpaluto kasi hindi naman kami talaga heavy eater.
On this open road, our hearts will find a journey of love with no end in sight. As we chase the horizon into the night, road trip to forever, you and me. With every mile, our love will grow. On this road trip to forever, we'll go. Windows down, wind in our hair. With you beside me, I have no care. Through fields of gold and mountains high, our love's the compass guiding our drive.
Yan yung sabi ni Tridoyan, Taiwan beer. Tayo. Ayun yung lantern, hindi umakyat.
I will write something.
Okay, susulat. You have to write something there.
Here is
Okay.
ink. Here, ink.
Ink.
So be careful, it's not washable.
Okay, okay. Be careful, not washable. Okay.
Be careful.
Careful. Gold medal? Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Gold. Agal naman. Okay. 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 Tapos money. Good health. Good health.
What else?
Okay, money. More money. Tapos ano pa? Happiness. More followers, more subscribers, more viewers. Okay. How about peace on earth? There you go.
2, 3, pitaw na pitaw! Okay, dito po, bye-bye! Mabuhay! Ay, dito, hey!
Time to buy a souvenir. Oh, kuha ka niyan lantern na. Kasi pinalipad natin eh, di ba? Kahit ano siguro. Oh, sige. Kung ano dyan gusto mo. Okay, ito na lahat. Okay.
150,
Okay.
Okay.
100,
Okay.
80, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80 times 5 plus
400.
and then 3,
Okay, thank you.
100,
Okay.
300,
Okay.
100,
Okay.
100,
Okay.
40,
Okay.
60,
Okay.
70.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Thank
This
you.
I package you, so one second.
Thank you so much.
Leave our worries behind.
So now we're going to waterfall.
On this open road,
Waterfall. So okay yung sinok mo. Sabi sa'yo, bilang ka lang sa tubig. It's a Shifen waterfall. Yan. Maganda siya, parang Niagara Falls. Naalala, yung pala yung naririnig natin, no? Ang liwanag ng tubig nila. And here we go. Yung naririnig, no? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's shaking! Sa ano? Sa hanging bridge. Hindi na kami galing. Hindi kami diba? Okay kami mo. Kung ba yan, Hindi, inaayos ko. Okay, mauna ka dito. Kasi may kasunod na tayo. Ito ako sa likod mo. Okay. Ay, sa Tagalog ang waterfall. Ano? Look at that, oh. I think pupunta lang siya. I think dadaan tayo na doon, no? Yan.
Mommy,
What?
it's a very shaky bridge.
Heck no. What can? It's shaking, huh? Tapos meron ganyan dito.
Yeah, see, you can see a train coming.
Oh, the train is coming.
Video mo,
That's why
mami.
you wait for us.
Doon siya. What's that? I mean, nature's.
Memories ko, ano? See?
Oh. Probably hindi siya good luck. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi yung trunk niya hindi nakapaganon. Oh, that's a lot of street food. Ah, good shopping. Bili tayo.
Okay.
Sausage later. This is the fashion fruit. I think ito na yon. Kasi nakikita ko na yung steam niya. Okay, yan na nga yun. That's the one. Maybe I want more. So look at this team, oh. Subukan niya. Ito.
Once bitten and twice shy.
My wife's supposed to go back to.
For 2 years. So we're here at I don't know, Pineapple Factory. Okay.
We're going
Oh.
to take a road to
Okay. Alright. Says souvenir. Souvenir, 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 souvenir. Oh my, that's a lot of souvenirs. Write your name.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Welcome to Taiwan. Okay.
Thank you.
We will DIY pineapple. Okay. Okay. Everyone take this one. Okay.
We can take this one.
Yes.
Okay,
we
let
can
me
take
take a
this one.
picture.
Yes.
80%.
Yeah.
100%. More sour.
More sweet.
More sweet. Okay.
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 And that's,
Ito kay
that's
Daddy.
that belongs to
Ito yung
him.
doon sa Migay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, nice. Ito naman kay
Okay,
Daddy.
that's-
Rauhe. So we're now here in Rauhe Market, night market. So marami na dito, guys. So let's start. What? What? To reach the end. Yung pinakauna. Okay. It's done.
Parang ayoko muna yan.
Ano sabi niya? Parang ayaw ko.
Victor Velas ba?
Oh, okay daw na. Try mo. Dali. Okay, try it. Come on, eat it. Hindi siya makakibo. Pila kami dito sa and that's the one. So, ayan na si Daddy. 60 NTD. 60 NTD. Excited ka ba, tikman? So, what's inside? Ayun, no, cooking. Okay. Ang daming bumibila talaga. There. Okay, let's go. So, try it. Ikaw na. Hindi mo kagaya. What?
Wow!
What?
Hindi mo kayo mata niya. Victor
Ano?
Velas mukbang.
Siya tagatikim ko, ano?
Bread pa lang.
Bread pa lang daw. Ang funny.
No, this one's the real thing.
Okay.
Ano bang mukbang yan?
Mainit. Give me a rate. 10 out of 10.
It's 10.
Oh, really?
You choose. Go.
Jenny's mukbang.
Nasaan sibuyas? Lasang peppery? Maangka? Peppery? Pero it's good.
Tingnan mo na.
Maangka siya?
Okay. Going to back up a little.
I don't think kakaganda. That's temple. Dito yun sa Rauhe Market. O ano daddy, ano masasabi mo?